I'm in a different town that has a better reputation for morels. Looks like maybe a verpa or a half-brie morel. We're at the base of an ash tree. Take this one. I'm just gonna take 2. I used to think this was the black morel, but it is not. This is the gray morel, but it's actually a yellow morel. Because that makes sense. I think we're going to have luck. Well, we've already had luck. I'm gonna take this one, and this one. You guys can stay a little longer. Ash tree, stone wall, morels. Don't trample the mushrooms! They're everywhere!
Really?
You can see how people would get kind of confused because they're growing in the same place. Oh, it looks like a false thing. Warmer.
I found this one. It's a pretty small one.
How come I don't get to hold my knife anymore?
Because I'm holding it now.
Do you know what this tree is called? This is
Ironwood.
That's really good. Let's not take the littlest one. Okay, you took them both.
I'm sorry, Mom.
That's okay, honey.
I think we're getting lucky today.
Don't run with the knife, please. Look at this old foundation, Gideon.
Was any fungi poisonous?
Oh, yeah. Okay, but I'm leading this expedition. Yeah. Do you remember what they're called?
Nope.
Find any treasures? One man's junk is another man's treasure, you know. Some good buckets.
That's a real Ramel. And these are edible, by the way.
Gideon was so excited he blew a shoe. Pop the top off.
She's about to cut it.
Finally let me cut a morel.
I think I can only leave 2.
We have to practice not being greedy. They're good find. Nice.
There's one that's usually more.
Nice, God. This is so good that we were being able to compare.
Oh, come on.
The Gyromita esculenta. I found lots of these the other day.
Red cup them.
They're so beautiful, aren't they? You just tell me if there are any mushrooms. You see any?
Nothing.
That's your favorite car?
To the right. Yeah, in the world. Yeah, I love that mushroom.